Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in scale and pattern. Precision matters because the mold will reproduce every detail. Begin by printing or machining your master pattern. Use high-resolution settings for crisp panel lines. Once done, apply a thin release coat so the silicone separates cleanly. Next, prepare the wax or resin core if you need hollow sections. This reduces weight and saves alloy. Make sure to label parts and organize tools. That organization prevents mistakes during the casting sequence. You now create the two-part mold and gating system. Mix silicone precisely and degas so bubbles don't ruin detail. Once cured, cut sprue and vents. Place them to promote smooth flow and avoid air traps. Meanwhile, melt the zinc or aluminum alloy to the manufacturer's target temperature and skim off impurities so the pour is clean. Preheat the mold to reduce thermal shock and improve filling. After alignment, clamp the mold tightly and get ready to pour without delay. You pour confidently and steadily, watching metal fill the cavity. Allow complete cool time before separating the mold so you don't warp detail. Once freed, trim gates and flash, then progressively file and sand to remove seams. Start coarse and move to fine grits for a smooth finish. Prime and paint in thin layers to avoid runs, then add decals and clear coat. If warping or porosity appears, revisit mold temperature and degassing. That fix usually removes air pockets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.